Hello viewers, this is an aphorism that briefly but directly unpacks Nietzsche's Guide to Success, or List of Wisdom. Hope you enjoy. 1. Self-reliance and inner directedness. 2. Self-forgiveness, avoidance of self-criticism, self-forgiving, and progress in small steps. 3. Consecration of chance and turning constraints into opportunities. 4. Positive acceptance of what already happened, seeing older mistakes as instructive, and understanding problems in terms of human evolution. 5. Love of art and culture, including religion, as sources of wisdom, combined with an awareness of their shortcomings. 6. Avoidance of simplifications and generalizations, learning the history of issues and all their sides, and being familiar with the game of using two scales, on the one hand on the other hand. 7. Learning the past and extrapolating from it into the future. 8. Love of knowledge, utilization and integration of life's experiences. You have it in your power to merge everything you have lived through attempts, false starts, errors, delusions, passions, your love and your hope into your goal, with nothing left over. 9. Seeing oneself as a microcosm in the macrocosm of environment and culture. You are to become an inevitable chain of culture rings. Understanding the culture one lives in, and accepting or rejecting its influences according to one's needs. 10. Listening to nature and learning its ways of operation. 11. Accepting old age and death calmly and without anger. You encounter both old age and wisdom on one ridge of life. That is how nature wanted it. Human all to human, v. 292. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and even leave a comment about your thoughts, or a comment on your next video suggestion would be beautiful. Thank you for watching.